This is gonna hurt. Your favorite videos and TV shows, including NFL football, come to you in dynamic surround sound. But if you don't have the right stuff, you're not hearing what you pay for. Fortunately, all you need are Sony Maximum speakers for instant surround sound.
You're mine, baby!
And that is Sony Trinitron TV for maximum visual impact. See and hear everything you pay for. Maximum television, only from Sony.
Okay. Great day for football.
We got to try to find a way to get ignited.
Boom, boom, boom. You gotta love this. You gotta love it.
50 minutes, you're the enemy.
I know that.
But right now, you're still talking to a pretty good guy.
Well, you watch number 39?
What's he doing?
He's cheating. He's been holding on. I'm serious, ref. I've been watching him all week.
Is that right?
Yeah, he's grabbing us after 5 yards. I'm going to keep an eye on you, too.
We got a crisis every 15 minutes.
What is it?
Matt Barr's got a little flu. Tell him to throw up on his own time. Well, he don't have to play, Doc. All he's got to do is kick.
Do you think you can give me some hot dogs at halftime?
Yeah.
2 of them?
You want to eat them like that?
I'm going to eat them at halftime. I'm hungry.
Bar, we're in to use the bathroom. We'll be right back.
We're still a unit. We're gonna live together. We're gonna die together.
Let's go, baby! Let's go!
This movie is rated R. Adult language and violence. Lots of it.
Get a penalty on that jerk. Get him out of the game. Hey, throw that jerk out.
Hey, come on, Zach. Come on, Zach. Listen. I love your enthusiasm.
He's out of the game.
Listen, boys, okay? Don't cross his 15. Okay, don't cross his 15.
84Q Hopper.
84Q Hopper.
Shift the double wing right, 20's out.
Start trips right, DT. Bring the toe guy across, run the slant, and bootleg the guy out with the guy in motion delaying and hitting it into flat and the Y coming across.
The hell was that?
Make him run up the middle. He runs the middle. He can't do. He's scared too. That bitch flying right. He's flying 10 feet away from the middle curve. He better slide. I'm gonna bust his ass.
Holy cow, somebody's got some flesh on the bottom of their cleats.
George, boot.
They don't know what's going on.
Didn't come here to play patty cake.
Hey, get the out of his face. What the wrong with you?
But you better calm him down.
Somebody right here is going to make the heroic play.
Here I come, here I come, here I come!
Like that.
Those 2 little letters, W-E-We. Those 2 little letters, U-S, us. They're powerful. They're powerful.
We kept fighting, took it in overtime, still fighting, man. We find a way to win.
Hi, I'm Steve Sabol. Imagine this for a second. You're watching a football game, and all of a sudden, the sound goes off. Feels weird, doesn't it? That's because football has always been a game where what you hear is as important as what you see. Crowds cheering, coaches yelling, quarterbacks calling plays, and of course, the hits. George Halas once said, you don't have to see a tackle to know if it was great, you can hear it. Well, for 32 years, NFL Films has been able to record the sights and sounds that define football, going places most football fans can only dream of going, on the sidelines, inside huddles, even under pileups. We've captured the true essence of the NFL, and you can unleash it right now in your living room with Sony Maximum Television. It's the football games you've seen, but never heard. In dynamic surround sound, you'll not only hear what you've been missing, you'll experience football in a whole new way. Maximum Impact is going to take you as close as you can get to the action without getting tackled, and all from the comfort of your favorite chair. So sit back and fasten your seatbelt as we mic the NFL for maximum impact.
See if we can get you guys excited today.
I try not to cuss so much, so you don't have to beep it out all the time.
Hey, Yuli, maybe one of these girls will date you.
Did you get that, guys?
Hey, kick this ball off now, baby. It's gonna be a whoop
Hey, I got kids to feed now.
Big dog got eat.
Let's get this going. Let's get this going. Huh? Let's get this going off the bat. We ain't got time to wait on nobody. Huh? We ain't got time to wait on nobody. Huh?
This football team makes an all-day proposition.
This our house. Take your ass all day.
We gotta take it, baby. Let's take it.
Here we go. Come on, boys. Solo left, 35. Far of a wing right open, F left. 3-jet X drive, E shake.
Explode, double right. 70 waggle, double down 2.
Move to yellow eye left. Zoom. Pass 57. Slow. Z deep. Lex on 2.
Hey, the first one we're gonna go west right slide, 2-jet all go. Then we're gonna line up solo right 22 ZN on 1. Ready? West right slide, 2-jet all go.
Barney. Check Barney. Barney, Tuesday.
92. 92. Balls. Blue 58.
Red.
Blue Fox to Roger.
White 90.
Set hut.
Right now. We need to hustle our ass on the field, get in the damn huddle, call a play, come off and bust these in the mouth.
We had 4 plays to get 2 yards, and we did not get a inch. Do y'all know what's on the line? We got to lay it out. Let's pick it up.
If you feel like you got him beat, take your corner. If he's running with you like this, square it out.
Yeah. Hey, Connor, what's up, man? What up, homie? What up, dog? You're not gonna run on me. You better take that on somewhere else.
We in there? Let's dance.
Man, at this point, you gotta be at least a little bit nervous.
I was thrown to the back there. Keith Byers right there. No, I was thrown to Keith Byers.
Hit 61.
Yeah, but I'm not trying to hit him. I'm trying to throw the ball to him.
It's a foul if you hit 61.
I'm trying to throw the
down only.
Okay.
Yeah, well, right now, ain't no loss of down. We need all the downs we can get. What about when I'm out of the pocket?
No.
I'm out of the pocket.
The line of scrimmage is way up here. You didn't come near it.
There's a guy I'm throwing to right out there.
I told you to watch number 39.
I told you we tell him.
He said he's going to do it again, too.
Well, if he does it again, we'll call it again.
All right. I told you.
I'm trying to stay back, just like, you guys put that rule in just for me. I'm trying to stay off the ball,
We didn't put it in for
Yeah.
you. We didn't put it in for you. Now, you know that. Hey, Ref, they really going to hold now. I heard them saying
They're really going to hold now?
Yeah, they're really.
We're really going to watch him.
All righty then.
You got that power to change the weather report, then we'll be fine, see? Make it 55 and sunny.
Split left. 90 waggle special from gun on 1.
Purple 80! Purple 80!
Gang.
Hey, ain't no damn secret. They gonna run. Get your ass in the 2-gap mode now, I'm telling you. Down, 2.
I can hold on to that damn ball. I mean, man, these guys wouldn't stop us.
Let's get a drive going, man. Let's get a drive going and score some damn points.
Let's go get this.
How do I deep breath now? Deep breath. Come on, John. Deep breath. We need it.
Nice job up front. Nice job. All right, let's go. Let's go. Play with some urgency now. A little urgency.
Need a little time on this now.
Watch the blitz. 92 Texas. X-curl. Halfback wide. Second sound. Ready?
Stroke! Stroke! Stroke!
Set. 180. 180. Green. 18 to left. Good job. Good job, man. Made me look good, huh, Randall? We get a rhythm going, they can't stop us, baby. You know what I'm saying?
Way to build late. Way to build late.
That's the way to operate, Danny.
Just fade stop over there with the combination.
I ain't never been part of this where you can take it down the field that fast.
Yeah.
Nice job. Nice job.
You can get it done. You can get it done. What's more, you gotta get it done.
Don't forget, man, today's the day we're gonna win. They can't lick us, and that's out of the goal. The first whistle of the man to win there and fight. What do you say, man?
What Newt Rockne pioneered, Marty Schottenheimer has perfected.
This is a game of the heart. Nobody can do it alone, but together we can do it. Stand together, hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder. Damn it, let's go. There's a gleam, man. There's a gleam.
But just how effective are pregame speeches?
Let's get the gleam, all right? Let's go.
I think pregame speeches are the biggest waste of time and overrated thing in all of football.
I just want you to give me 110% for till 5 o'clock, and then let's go home.
There's not a word you can speak that's going to get you any more ready than where you're at right now.
We're at the crossroads, and no question about that. But it's not the end of the world.
And guys will stand up and they'll start screaming, and we got to do this and we got to do that. Of course you got to do that. What the heck are you playing for?
We got to play it because we care. Because you care for each other. Because you care for yourself. Because you care for this football team. And because you care about winning.
And then when the games are over, people would come up to me and say, you know, Charles Haley got up and gave a speech today. Oh, did he? I didn't listen. And if he did, who cares? What the heck is he going to tell you?
He may have a point. Consider the 1958 NFL Championship and Baltimore head coach Weeb Ewbank.
In the locker room, everybody's nervous for the first time we've ever played in the championship game in the Yankee Stadium. And Weeb's going down. He brought each guy in. He drafted, he knew us, and he's going down, saying where we came from. He picked us up off the sandlots. He had a great speech. But about 5 or 6 of us never heard it because we were in the head throwing up. We were nervous.
Yes, title games can be nerve-wracking. That's why Raiders owner Al Davis was on hand to provide moral support for his troops at Super Bowl 18.
And all of a sudden, Al walked in. He says, men, I want you to do 3 things for me today. He says, number 1, I want you to play for yourselves. He says, number 2, I want you to play for California. And then he said, number 3, I love you. Just win, baby. And that terminology, that thing, you could look in the other players' eyes, Bill Pickell and Howie Long and Matt. Everybody had tears in their eyes. And they knew that the pride of the organization, the pride of Al Davis, was on the line. And you couldn't let him down. You just couldn't do it. And we didn't.
A good story. And a great sequel. Except for one thing.
Al Davis never came in the locker room before games. Al Davis was at practice. He was on the road, on the airplane, on the bus. He was everywhere, but in the locker room before the game. Now, he was in the locker room after the game.
So was Lyle overcome by the Raider mystique?
Lyle was the original, I love you, man. Lyle could make anyone believe exactly what he was saying.
Then he said, number 3, I love you. Just win, baby.
Of course, some inspiring speeches are not imagined.
Well, guys.
But quite real.
12 years. 12 years have gone by since the Eagles have been a winner. We're going to come out winners today.
Thinking about being a winner.
But for the most part, pregame pep talks are less spiritual and more ritual.
You're in the locker room. You're getting ready to go out.
and you have to say something.
If we die together. You can get it done. You can get it done. What's more, you gotta get it done.
The wackiest one I was ever around was Lou Holtz when he coached the Jets. I remember he wrote a fight song, and he had a New York Jets fight song to the tune of the Caissons Go Rolling Along. I can remember it. Win the game, act like men, we're together, win or lose, New York Jets keep rolling along. I can remember it.
I heard a saying one time, and I don't know what, from either some player or a country and western song or something, and it was, don't worry about the horse being blind, just load the wagon.
What we need right now, men, is what I talked to you about many times during the course of the year. We're backed up a little bit. We just need to flush it all out.
We're going out there this first half, and we're going to explode like a bomb. Then the second, we're just going to get higher. Third quarter, we're going to get higher. And the fourth quarter, we're just going to catch on fire.
Join the circle. Let's build our house together. Let's get this thing going. Right above is the next rung. Reach out and grab that rung. Pull yourself. Push your buddy. The next rung is today. Let's go.
Play action fake by Bono. Sets up, looks over the middle. Throwing for the end zone. Bono's got it. Touchdown.
It's obvious that Marty's motivation has paid off. On the other hand, maybe the Kansas City Chiefs are simply doing the kinds of things the NFL's all-time winning head coach has always stressed.
You need a drive to start with, so let's kick ass to start with. Running with the football, pass protected, score. Defensively, we got to get the turnovers. We got to make the play.
You can talk all you want, but when you step across the white stripe, the only thing that matters is
just win, baby.
It's a fine ball game out there, but don't forget it's just a game of football.
NFL pileups are an underworld all their own, a heap of hostility where the rule book is thrown out the window.
You stay up that pile!
Nasty things happen in a pileup. Punching, kicking, biting, spitting, questions about your family, anything that the opponent can use to get an edge on you. Usually happens in the pileup.
Well, you better get some Jenny Craig! You better get some Jenny Craig, baby!
You've got 2,000 pounds of body weight on you, spread out over you and over other people, and arms and legs, people twisted, go in different directions.
Sometimes there's been some sweet nothings whispered in their ear.
Homeboy, we can't play that stuff over here. Y'all gonna have to go to the other side.
Kind of like next time, I may hit you a little lower than I did this time. And yeah, that's my breath. I haven't brushed my teeth in 2 days, and I've been eating garlic and onions. And yes, get used to this breath, because I'm gonna be on you all day, sucker.
Being at the bottom of the pile, you bite some things you might not normally bite. You grab some things you might not normally grab.
The best pileups are to be in a pileup with Conrad Dobler. I remember one time we're in a pileup, and it's against the Cowboys. And in this pileup, I think Leroy Jordan had taken it upon himself to rearrange certain portions of Conrad's face. And somehow his thumb found its way into Dobler's mouth. And so Conrad is gnawing on Leroy's thumb in this pileup. And I've never heard such a caterwaul in my life. I didn't know a human being could make that sound. Leroy's got some great pipes on him.
Leroy Jordan's painful run-in with the carnivorous Conrad Dobler is just one example of the dog-eat-dog world that exists beneath the pile. Former Patriot tight end Russ Francis learned firsthand why Steelers linebacker Jack Lambert was often referred to as Count Dracula in cleats.
As the pile starts to unpack, this guy is trying to bite my ankle, and I can just see one tooth. All he has is one tooth. There's no teeth in the front here. There's Jack Lambert trying to bite me in the ankle. He's pinned down, can't go anywhere. He's going to inflict pain somehow, some way. It's with this one tooth. And he's gumming, he's drooling. That's why I mean linebackers need to be tested for this stuff. And he's trying to bite my ankle, and I'm trying to shake him off. And he's still going after it. His head's animated, going around like this, trying to get that one tooth in. His face mask was piled up. I mean, here's a guy to hurt you any way he could.
I guess that makes for a good banquet story, but I never bit anybody.
Least of all, Russ Francis. He's one of the last guys I'd ever bite.
Mike McDonald's a deep snapper for a lot of years with us at the Rams, and he got so excited, he got right on top of the ball carrier as he tackled him, and as they both went to the ground, he threw up, and it went all over the other guy's face and face mask and ball, and there was screaming and yelling and get me out of here, and Mike didn't live that one down for a long time.
We were playing the Tampa Bay Buccaneers and Broderick Thomas. We were just going back and forth with each other, and I got caught under a pile. And all of a sudden, I felt these fingernails. I mean, he was just clawing into my stomach. But you know, I'm kind of a ticklish person, so I'm under the pile, you know, laughing, you know.
I was in a pile one time with one of my teammates right now, and they start screaming, "Hey, get him above me! Get him above me!" And I see him lift his hand up, and he's grabbing, like, everybody crouching. You see the guy go, "Oh, oh, oh!" Out of the crowd, getting smushed to death, and get smashed. And I was just totally dying laughing, because you see the big guys, whole body kind of jerk up, trying to get off the crowd. Everybody was fighting to get up there.
I was with San Francisco, and we're playing against Minnesota, and their center at the time was Kirk Loudermilk, who I really like as a player. And for some reason, I don't know what happened. I think I came across him on the one play he tried to block me. I grabbed him by the face mask and just threw him to the side. And so the next play he comes and he starts screaming at me, shut up. So as fate would have it, 2 plays later, Loudermilk comes to block me. I hit him, we go down, and he has me by the arm. And I have him by the face mask. But now I can't do anything. So Pierce Holt is laying right aside of me. And I go, "Pierce, with your right hand, punch him as hard as you can right between the legs." And he says, "Okay." And all of a sudden you hear, "Yeah!" As loud as you can. And it's Loudermilk. And I'm going, "Sorry about that." And the referees break us up, and he's laying there, and he never touched me again.
It is a frenzied free-for-all world where anything and everything goes. Its weight from top to bottom can often exceed a ton. And it is beneath this massive load that players realize the only rule that really matters in a pileup: to simply come out of it with your pride and body fully intact.
I tell you, we can't play. We can't play. We're too stupid.
Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. We know the strength. The strength of this team is this team.
This is a 60-minute proposition. I'm going to tell you something. No matter how it starts, the most important thing is how you finish.
Just another new day, another chance to win. Everybody get yourself ready. Focus, finish, let's go.
Okay. All right, man, let's get hot and stay that way.
All right, this is going to be interesting here. Uh-oh, we're in trouble here.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up! Hurry up!
Somebody jump.
Suck! Ah, damn it. He burped him offside. He burped him offside. Damn it.
Oh, fuck!
Oh, right.
Son of a buck.
I tell you, we're getting our ass kicked.
You're right.
Damn it.
Fumble. I tell you, we can't play. We can't play. We're too stupid. Stupid!
Oh, I'm getting confused here.
Let me give you a little lesson in anatomy. Under his legs would be between the thighs, the loin area.
To the weak side, to the tight end.
Yeah, okay.
The guy with the 80 number.
Yeah, I know.
All right, come on, baby.
Don't clip him, don't clip him.
Oh, Jesus.
Damn you! Damn you, McNair! The first time somebody's got me off my feet.
Mr. Official, check that 91 on defense's jersey, okay? You're going to find a lot of silicone on it. On defense. Hey, not our team, their team, okay?
Watch the center with the head bob and moving the ball. You don't need my help.
They got 12 guys in the huddle there the whole time, and then one of their players ran off real late. 12 in the huddle, and that's a lingering rule. You can't do that. So tell the referee.
I tell you what, I am brain dead. because it's been 2-5 on an injury.
No, sir. No, sir.
I get tired as a coach watching a game and feeling like nobody's getting a break in an even game. Quit babying them. They got 16 games to get where they got to go.
That's a penalty. He didn't get it. It was too late. No, red.
What kind of a call is that? That's the most chicken call I've ever seen. That is the most chicken call I've ever seen, Tony. Who threw that flag, you know? Who? He's an idiot, the guy. He keeps doing it all the time.
And the guy who's blocking grabbed him around here. He had his arm around here. Restrict him from trying to spit out of the play.
Okay. Usually you guys see him right. About 20% of the time.
Come on now. Suck it up now.
You got to out-tough people when you get down there. It's man on man down there. All right, be alert here on 4th down. I think they'll go again.
Go for it. Go for it.
They're going for it. Let's go. Let's go. They're going for it.
One play at a time. Let's go. Blitz, 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 blitz.
Watch you draw a screen.
Watch the screen.
Converge, 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 converge. Right around and lock him up.
Oh, excellent. This play may go for a big one.
Don't.
Come on. Get time. We got to get our heads out of our butts. We're playing like we're asleep. Let's go.
Don't worry about helping your buddy. You just do your deal. You're thinking too much. Go play the game like you can play it now. Come on, let's go. Quit thinking about it, just play.
Don't get your mind out of this game. I can see you guys going off in a little some other spot. Get it back on here and kick their ass.
Hey, this game ain't over. Damn it, this ain't over. Come on now, let's hey. This is serious business.
Here's where the gut check, man. This is where the fun starts. You like the pressure? This is what the game's all about. Put yourself in a little pressure shot and you'll see how good you can get.
They are backed up. There's going to be a big ball come out of here in a hurry sometime. I don't know when. Alert our secondary. Let's go.
Come on, defense! Come on, get your asses going!
All right, hey, now, we got to find some way to get the job done now. It's right there for the taking.
Now, come here. I want to tell you something. You have dominated them to this point. You have dominated them in the kicking game. We got to dominate them one more play. We got to dominate them. Now, let's go.
I'm going all seam. I don't care.
Hey, let's go. Our best play with our best player.
This is going to be a choice post for a touchdown right here.
Here's Chris.
Get there, get there. Score.
Let's go. Damn it. Yeah.
I'd say the fans got their money's worth tonight.
Let me do something right here. Bam, right there.
I said victory. Boom. Victory. Kneel on the ball.
Kneel. Kneel down. Kneel down.
Kneel on the ball.
Got a hell of a team, Coach. Good luck. Hey, listen, you're doing a great job with it. Keep doing it. I'm serious. I don't know you very well, but I sure respect the hell out of it.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Forgot my helmet. I'm about to pull a Thurman Thomas. Trying to make me pull a Thurman Thomas.
What's up, man? Hey, how long are you going to play?
Half-ish.
Over half?
No.
I got some burgers I'll try to get you. I don't want to get you fat for the game. Stay healthy.
Good luck there, buddy. Don't be a bitch.
Give me a wink when you're coming, would you?
Yeah, I will.
Let's go now.
Who's going to make the first big hit and the first big play? Win on 3. 1, 2, 3.
First big hit.
Right there.
Hey, on 3, no big plays. 1, 2, 3. No big plays.
You didn't get it. That's what I'm talking about, Rock. Hey, he holding. Hey, he holding, man. Good tackle, Alt. Good tackle. Yeah, okay.
Now lock and load, baby.
Lock and load. Lord humongous. Lord humongous. Rule on the waistline. It's all right. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Let's go, D. Let's go. Shazam! Hey, you couldn't hold me, man. You couldn't hold me. Come on. We can do that all day, Big 71. You playing my game like that, baby. He had me hooked, man. 71. 71? Yes, sir. I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. Boom! 58-37.
Sucker's tougher than woodpecker lips. He's tougher than woodpecker lips. What's up, dude? I'm still happy.
What's up, Bono? How you doing, man? Hanging in there, baby.
That's last 79 double square out. Now, come here. It's on 3 on 3. Don't move, Rick. Hurry up! Hurry up! Yeah. You ready, Broderick? Blue. Red 25. Red 25. Set it.
When that's supposed to be on 3, John?
I'm waiting on Broderick, and I forgot. Oops. My fault.
Blue, 58.
Damn, this ball here is slicker now.
Good hit, Jesse. That's what I'm talking about. Down goes Frazier. Down goes Frazier. Down goes Frazier. Let's go, Hammer. Come on, baby. Night Rider! Night Rider! Night Rider! Night Rider!
You meet that sucker in a dark alley. Hey, if he got a knife, he'd be stabbing me in the ass the whole way, because I'll be running.
Only guy was covering me was the referee one time.
Referee covered you?
He was standing
I tell you what the hell.
Excuse me.
Some of those guys can cover.
Someone's clicked on. And the thing's like cracking. That's why you had it pushed on. It's like...
Come on, man. What's wrong with y'all? Is game over? Is game over? Huh? We got 2 damn quarters. Get your ass on. Let's go.
Every damn thing they got, we gave it to them. That's horse. You gonna play like that, don't bother to come back out here.
Hey, man. Hey, look here. What you slow down at, man? Hey, you gonna run us off the damn field on punt and kick off returns, man. Take it easy, all right?
Bonkus, you gonna get that thing x-rayed? Did you break it?
It's hurting really bad.
Did you break it?
I don't know.
If you broke it, you can't play. Just tape it up and play.
Hey, Ron, I'll tell you something, man. Hey, we're here fighting our ass off. You gotta do the same, man. Everything clear now, just make a play right now. Do your part, man. Do what you're supposed to do. We gotta play reckless abandonment, bro.
All right, here we go. Be alert. Hey, red zone, everything happens a little quicker.
Hey, we need it in there. We need to get in the end zone, all right? Keep your hands in, no mistakes.
Barbecue, okay? Tight barbecue. Tight.
Let's go, guys.
Hey, nobody open this time.
Okay, pull it close. Box 3, draw on sound. Ready? Let's go.
Nobody open.
Come on, man. You do that again, I kill you.
Hustle. Don't jump the purple route.
Flag 74, Dino!
Stay there. Red 25.
White 90. Set it. go. There's some plays you just can't stop. I told you that. Let's go. I'm gonna give you the ball. They told me one time, say when you win, you say little, and when you lose, you say even less. That's the way you gotta win. We kicked that bus all over the field. I don't care what nobody says. We made big plays when we had to, and the defense did an excellent job. Excellent job.
That's why I told you I got a serious headache, man. I was giving all I had, bro.
When Eric Rhett arrived at the stadium on game day, he had to walk about 100 yards before he reached the locker room. But gaining 100 yards is never easy for an NFL running back. 31 autographs and a snapshot later, he was in the stadium. Soon he would begin his quest for another 100 yards.
Panther right flip, KC left angle. Sunday, right?
I need some fun in this game.
Rhett got off to a quick start as he ran recklessly with both his feet and his mouth.
Woo! Finn, you gonna make a tackle? I'm gonna talk all damn day to your old ass. Old ass. You gonna make a tackle all day? Huh? I like to talk. It pumps me up. I don't degrade you, but that's just me, baby. It pumps me up.
You talk too much for a lot of people. Good players.
Hey, man, I gotta do it. Ain't nothing personal. Ain't nothing personal. Like, I mean, you talk too. You're 6'9" piece of...
His blocking led the Bucs on a 14-play drive. The key play coming when he helped spring number 37 Jerry Ellison for 23 yards on this sweep. Tampa kicked a field goal, but the insatiable Rhett wanted more.
Sam, it's too soft up front, man. They're too soft up front, man. They're too soft, man.
We got to keep honest by doing all that wide stuff, which we've done. Now we go right back at it again.
Them too soft, man. Them weak and they soft. Sam, I know them can't stop me. They can't stop me at all. They can't even beat the Tennessee Volunteers. They don't fit, they look a lot bigger on television. They too small, and they don't fade me at all.
In the second quarter, Rhett found lots of room between the tackles. He carried 14 times in the first half for 69 yards. And 22 seconds before intermission, he reached the end zone.
Let's get a touchdown.
Dilfer hands off to Rhett, hurdles. He's got a touchdown. Touchdown, Tampa Bay.
Yeah, they cannot stop me with 1 yard. Listen, I'm going to show you how much 1 yard is. This far, they can't stop me. I can lean that damn far.
Listen now, it's 10-0. Yeah. You know we got to run the out of the ball second half right, now.
Okay. All right. They can't stop me, man.
But in the third quarter, they did.
I hate that play. Damn, I got dizzy on that one play.
Rhett had just 2 carries for minus 1 yard in the third quarter.
Man, I hate this 3 and out, man.
And he carried his frustration with him to the sideline.
Come on, we got to get one more drive.
Badass music in here make me just want to throw up.
Go, Dylan.
To this day, I don't know what the hell they be yelling. I guess they yelling something. A lot of damn people, that's for sure. I ain't saw this many people in a long ass time.
In the fourth quarter, Rhett really gave the crowd something to cheer about.
It's my quarter right here, baby. Man, I run all over their ass, man. They can't stop me with no damn 6, 7 men up there. Damn, now they put 8 men up, it's a little problem. With 6, 7 men, I run through their ass. Good block, Dave. Good block.
On the Bucs' game-winning drive, he carried 7 times for 30 yards.
I like that. Yeah.
The snap, Dilfer, double pump, wants to run the Statue of Liberty. Blockers in front of Rhett, Rhett to the 2-1, touchdown. His final numbers?
Hell yeah, Rhett.
2 touchdowns, 24 carries, and exactly 100 yards. All in all, a pretty good day in the life of an NFL running back.
Man, I have so much fun out there. I love the game.
Don't run that over here. What's the wrong with you?
Good job, good back pedal, 5 yards after contact, upfield short.
You all right? I wish you'd have caught it. I was gonna bust your ass. Huh? Okay. Don't get mad at me, Tito. Come on. Come on. Come on. You ain't got no class. You a loser. You ain't got to play dirty ball. Boy, I am scraping and killing the tackle. Killing it. Boy, I'm killing you all day long. I'm killing you. I'm killing you. Big Salty.
Showtime. But it ain't at the Apollo.
Rush the quarterback. You understand?
Yeah.
Rush the quarterback.
He's looking under pressure. He's sacked.
Who got you?
Did you see him? Evidently not. You all right? Yeah. All right. Welcome to the NFL.
As you've just seen and heard, there's much more to pro football than meets the eye. When you hear the passion, the sound of the pads popping and fans screaming, an ordinary game is transformed into something you feel. On every autumn Sunday, the NFL surrounds us with a symphony of sound. From the upper decks to the bottom of the pile, pro football is a game for the ear as well as the eye.
You buy the video Jumanji, you pay for great pictures. You also pay for great sound. Big Hollywood surround sound. It's even on your favorite TV shows. But if you don't have Sony Maximum Television, you're not hearing it. Isn't it time you get everything you pay for? Maximum Television, only from Sony.